Hello viewers, I am Ahad Nadeem and I came with a new tutorial for all of those my friends who want to earn money on Fiverr but they don't have any experience and any skill. So today I'll be discussing about one of the most important skill that is mostly used in Fiverr, that is image background removal. In Fiverr you can just go and place a gig of how to place a gig for removing the background from the images. Today I'll be showing you how to just easily remove the background from any image. For this you have to just install MS PowerPoint with yourself. So let us start. I'll be going forward. So this is our PowerPoint. First of all, I'll be taking a blank sheet and just click on it to delete it, and also on this to delete it. Now just go on insert, click on images, take the image, whatever image you like to remove the background. For example, I'll be removing the background of this image. Then just click on format and image removal. Now this is asking, first of all, adjust it. I'll be adjusting it. The height will be like this and this. Now if you see, we have got our basic image. See here, we have got the basic image without the background, but you also see this place. So now I'll be showing you how to remove this place as well. Just click on this red tool and just draw a line here, and you see it has removed. More picture, we'll just do this like this and just click on keep changes. Now our background has removed. We'll just click on format image and just apply any color whatever you want. For example, we'll just do this. So see, I have just removed the background, and if you want to save it, so just click on it, export, change the file type, JPG or PNG, whatever you want, and just click on save as and go to music, and I will be writing Tom and just click on it, just this one. And now I'll just go here and check it out, our image. This is our image. See, I have removed the background from this image. You can also do it by your own, and you can remove any background from any image. Thank you. See you in the next lecture. Goodbye.